in the Integrated Learning Program or the ILP of IS Baba.
I was an ILP student.
About the role of ILP in my preparation.
First of all, last year I joined the ILP program.
ILP program
on the ILP program.
And ILP had
part of ILP online program.
Regularly for ILP.
ILP का जो test series
like ILP and TLP, they are of great significance.
Talk about the ILP program.
Namaste to all of you. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. Today there are two important things that I would like to share and celebrate with all of you. Yes, we are launching our most trusted, the most awaited and the biggest online program for UPSC, that is the Integrated Learning Program, ILP 2022, which has got us more than 120 plus ranks in the last 4 years out of 350 plus ranks that we have got from the other paid programs, that is TLP Plus and the Baba's Foundation course. And this year our ranks will definitely increase, keeping my fingers crossed. And the other reason to celebrate is on this date 6 years back, that is June 18th, 2015, IS Baba was started. And it's been a successful run throughout the 6 years. Of course, we have had our ups and downs, but I would like to thank all those who were with us, who supported us and who trusted us throughout this journey. And if you feel that we have made even a small difference, played a small role in your preparation or in your success, do comment below with an hashtag IS Baba for success or hashtag 6 years of Baba. Now I'm going to introduce you to the real heroes who are coming from diverse backgrounds, who have walked through this path of uncertainty and charted their own story. So this is Soumya Pandey, All India rank 4, who cracked this exam in a very first attempt. Then we have Neha Jain, All India rank 14, a dentist by profession and a gymnast at the national level. And we have Dinesh Kumar, All India rank 6, coming from an humble background with big dreams. And we have Saurabh Bhuvania, All India rank 113, a full-time working professional, a parent, and who started off his journey at the age of 30, where most of us unwind our journey in UPSC, right? And we have Divya Shakti, All India rank 79, that is last year batch, who had given a TOEFL and GRE exam and other exams, but changed their minds and turned to UPSC. Then we have Saurav Suman Mohanty, All India rank 9, and who was already in service, and it was almost his last attempt wherein he made it into IAS, and he had scored 479. That year it was the highest GS score, and he's a symbol of patience and sustenance, and many more people like this. What I personally feel is every person who has made it to the final list is an achiever and has a different story to tell, isn't it? And I would like to congratulate all of them here. And coming to the R6 achievers here, there are two things in common. One is the 5 Ds to success and their belief in our ILP program. So the 5 Ds are determination, dedication, the strong desire or drive, the discipline and direction. Of course, the entire credit should be given to the honest and sincere efforts that the students have put, and they've charted their own journey, right? And the direction, which does play an important role here, because without which the journey cannot be completed, right? And this is where ILP plays a crucial role. ILP is not only a result oriented, the most comprehensive program, but it is also an affordable program. And what makes ILP unique, or what is the hallmark or the USP of ILP is, it caters to every kind of students, every section of people here. As you have all seen, there's a person who has cracked it in the first attempt, the last attempt who was already in service, who was a working professional, a parent, a sports enthusiast, a doctor, right? What I'm trying to tell you here is, this particular program caters to every kind of aspirants here. And that's what makes ILP so special. And that is the hallmark of ILP. Coming to the topper's journey, obviously it has certain important ingredients, right? And that is what is inculcated in our ILP program. So from here onwards, the entire discussion will be revolving around the topper's journey, because I strongly believe that you should have that faith that you are going to be the next topper, and that is how you should start off your journey with. That is the positive way to start your journey. And of course, you should follow that 4 Ds, that is determination, dedication, strong desire, drive and discipline, right? With that you should start, and let's see how the topper's journey will be and how ILP would help you in achieving that goal, right? So first of all, you should have the right environment. So we give you that right environment through a dedicated portal here, it's called edu.isbaba.com, wherein every feature of this ILP program is put at one place, very easy to navigate, and also it keeps you preparation streamlined. Fine. Once you are at the right place and the right environment, the next step is to have a good solid plan. So what constitutes or makes a good solid plan is a plan that makes you accountable every day, the plan that brings in discipline in your preparation, a plan that keeps you on your toes for the next 1 whole year. And it should be integrated where both prelims and mains are integrated, adequate revision and break time, all that constitutes a good solid plan. And that is what we can see in our ILP plan, wherein each module is divided into 10 days, and first 8 days you are given daily targets like this: day 1, day 2, day 3, and in day 9 you have revision time and break time here, and on the 10th day you have a prelims and a mains mock test. So this will make sure that you are accountable on day-to-day basis with daily targets. Clear? And moving on to the next one, once you have a solid plan, the next thing is you should have the right set of resources and materials. So what we provide in our ILP is, it's called value added notes, wherein it is provided for both prelims and mains perspective, mains exclusive topics like ethics or even society, world history. For every part, to science and tech, environment or internal security, we provide value added notes. And the best part of value added notes is it is interactive in nature. That is how the line of thought is, and also it is pictorially represented so that it becomes easy for you to remember, recollect, and also it simplifies the preparation process, right? Especially with subjects like economics or science and tech, environment, there's nothing like a particular source or good source to refer to, and the go-to source would be the value added notes, which is simple and easy to understand. So these are certain examples how our value added notes are given. This is the history part of it, and yeah, this is another example of value added notes. And coming to the next part, that is Babapedia, that is for it's called one stop destination for current affairs, and especially with current affairs, there's a lot of confusions, a lot of issues, how many papers to read, what not to read, and this is where the Babapedia will come to your rescue, wherein Babapedia is divided into Prelimspedia and Mainspedia, where exclusive prelims content is put in Prelimspedia and accordingly the mains part in Mainspedia, and this is how it is segregated, and you can get all the content from 2016 onwards as well. So under science and tech, this is how it is divided: emerging technologies, biotech, defense, or under general studies to Indian constitution, international relations, governance and social issues. So this is how it is segregated so that it makes your preparation more organized. So this is how the Prelimspedia is presented. So why is it in news about that issue? And there are two unique parts to Prelimspedia. Do you know covers the specific importance of that particular issue? Going to the next one, it is things section. Basically, when you're reading an article, there are parallel thoughts or parallel concepts interrelated to it. So these are the things that will be put under things section. Then this is the Mainspedia. Here I want to emphasize here that we have gone to the 2020 format, where students loved this format of Mainspedia, wherein it was given in a answer writing format, that is introduction, body and conclusion. What we do is, when an editorial is picked up, the pros and cons of that issue along with the data is taken and it's put in the intro part, the body part where you can use it, and finally in conclusion part along with the quotes here. So accordingly, you can, when you're writing an answer, it becomes very easy to fit in the intro, body and conclusion according to the points given here. Clear? And moving on to the next one, once you're done with you have a proper source, the next step in a topper's journey is to have the right strategy, or basically the right approach for every subject, be it from polity to history to science and tech, environment to world history to ethics, right? Even essay for that matter. For every section or every topic of the GS syllabus, we have a strategy video. It's a pre-recorded video which will be available to you. And then the next step in a topper's journey is, once you are done, once you start your strategy is ready and you start reading it, whether you are reading it in the right direction or not. So that self-assessment becomes very important. That can be done through the test that we provide, high quality test, wherein 63 prelims test, which is divided in this format, and also this includes CSAT test as well, and this is backed by All India ranking, and there's a flexibility given in the pattern of the test that you can take. And also there's a separate doubt clearing resolution forum, wherein you can ask your doubts and that will be clarified in 48 hours. And going to the next one, the mains test. The mains test, we have 66 tests which are divided according to module wise, full length test and you will also have essay 10 full length essay test as well, and it will be packed by detailed synopsis, right? And moving on to the next one, essay guidance. In what we do is every month there are 4 essays given, 2 essays from theme based or issue based essays, that is from polity, governance, women related issues, or international relations, or economy related issues. There will be a schedule given to you to follow, and 2 from philosophical part of it, right? So this forms the essay, and even a strategy video will be provided for the one strategy video on how to approach a theme based essay, and one strategy video on how to approach a philosophical essay will be put in the portal as well. Clear? So mains evaluation. See, this mains evaluation we have started from last year, and this acts as an add-on. Why do I say it's an add-on feature is, this comes with an extra price. So the basic features comes at one price, and this, if you want evaluation to happen, say suppose you want 5 copies to be evaluated, it is a particular price is fixed for that. So for the complete details you can look into the write-up and on the website. Fine, this is one add-on feature. Then moving on to the next one, it is revision. Yeah, after all that, after reading strategy, you know, all that, revision becomes a very important role, and in fact the schedule of ILP also provides that. Apart from that, we have provide mind maps, especially for the mains aspect of it, so that, because mind map is an effective way to recollect things and also declutter the complex issues. So once it is given, like for example globalization, what are the cons and what are the pros of it? So you always remember that on the left hand side you have pros, and on the right hand side you have cons. So it is easy to recollect things, and it is put in a point wise format. The other example is here, wherein the effect of globalization on society, different dimensions, women related dimension, then education related, right, employment related, how is it impacting the exports, right, the positive and negative impacts. So this is how the mind maps are done. It becomes very easy for you to recollect things in the exam time, right? Then especially during this COVID time, right, where you are sitting at your hometown, all that, there are times where you might feel demotivated, all that. So this is the time where you need to be connected to people. And see, I always feel that there are 2-3 people in a group is always good for sustaining that furnace, to sustain the journey and give that energy to that journey, right? So here the peer discussion, right, what we do is we have a students forum wherein you can form groups based on your optional, based on your state. So like-minded people can get together, and whatever your doubts are related to it, you can post your queries on that group, and your people who know or your friends who know will reply back there, right? But don't you misuse this particular forum. And then you have Ask Baba, wherein any kind of doubts related to if the validated notes are not uploaded, or you're not able to find certain test, then you can put your queries here, and Ask Baba will be replying to you within 48 hours here. Clear? The next step in a topper's journey is you should have the right mentor to guide you in the right direction. And I personally believe that the mentor's role is much bigger than a teacher's role, because at times he or she acts as a teacher, then at times a friend, a philosopher, and a guide. So that is how bigger the role of a mentor is. And what we do at Ask Baba is, for after every module, that is after every 10 days, you can talk to your mentors. What we do is we group 20 students and a mentor, and you can connect to the mentor over a Zoom call. And if you still have certain very specific issues, personal things, that then you can still connect to the mentor over phone call. So that is the provision that we do give you. And please note that no subject specific doubts will be entertained here, right? It is more to do with the motivation, or if you're not able to keep a track or move in the right direction. These are the things that can be discussed with the mentor. And the other thing that I want to emphasize here is, it is limited to only the first 500 students, because we want to make sure that you get the best mentors and you also get the best guidance when the number is limited. And all our mentors have been through all the 3 stages, that is prelims, mains, and interview, so that a person who has gone through all the 3 stages will be able to understand the exam in a better way and guide you in a better way. Here I would like to emphasize that once you clear prelims, the mains phase, wherein we focus exclusively on mains answer writing, that is TLP plus program, will be given to you at a discounted price of 50%. This is the first time we are doing that in this year officially, so that you are motivated. So every stage you clear, the other program is given at a discounted price, or it is given it for free. For example, interview mentorship program will be completely free. wherein you can interact with me on, you'll have one-to-one mocks personally with me, and you'll have the DAF sessions or the mock interviews. Everything will be free for you, right? So just to keep that competitive spirit, we have made it an incentive-based program as well. The other thing that I would like to say here is ILP is available both in English and Hindi. The English version of it will start from August 2nd, and 20 days after that, the Hindi version will start off. And for students who register now, we are making the Babapedia available right from June 1st. Everything related to prelims and mains current affairs will be available to you, and also along with that, the current affairs test is also available, so that you don't waste your time for the next one and a half months. And also the strategy videos of subjects like polity, geography and all also will be made available in the portal. Time and again I keep saying this, there are 3 pillars to success, that is consistency, revision and trust. If you can follow this plan sincerely, trust yourself and trust IS Baba without having any second thoughts, and if you can put that sincere and honest effort, then there's nothing that can stop you from seeing your name in that final list. And do remember that this road to Mussoorie is definitely going to be a long journey. There'll be a lot of ups and downs in the journey, wherein you might become demotivated at times, or you might not reach the daily targets at times, but don't worry, that we will be there with you throughout these ups and downs. And we at IS Baba have successfully completed 6 years. We are looking forward for another fruitful association with new batch of students here. And the best part of UPSC is the journey itself, because every day there'll be new learnings, every day there'll be constant improvements. When you take one step at a time and you give your best every other day, which ILP will help you to do. And it's going to be your journey, a topper's journey, and if you're ready for it, welcome aboard and welcome to IS Baba's big family, and all the best. Thank you.